Good morning, students. Today we'll be doing lesson number 8, Seeing is Believing. Objectives of the lesson are types of objects, lens and its uses, and we will be studying about microscope. Students, can you imagine your life without light? Think for a moment. If there was no light on earth, we would not be able to see anything. We are able to see different objects because of light. When light passes through these objects and when light is reflected by the object, we are able to see the things. On the basis of passing of light through the objects are divided into three types. The first one is the transparent objects. These are objects which allow light to pass through them completely. We are able to see clearly through these objects. For example, we can enjoy the scenery outside by looking through a clear glass window because it allows light to pass through it completely. Second type of objects are known as translucent objects. These objects allow the light to pass partially through them. Due to this reason, we are not able to see clearly through these objects. Example of this type of objects are tracing paper, ground glass, polythene bag and papers. Third type of objects does not allow the light to pass through them. Due to this reason, we are just able to see the side which is facing towards us. We are not able to see what is there behind the object. Examples of this type of objects are wood, the wall of your house, bricks, table, etc. Now we will study about lens. What is a lens? Lens is made up of glass and it allows light to pass through it. Spectacles are fitted with lenses and lens help us to magnify or minimize an object for better view. Uses of lenses. Lenses are used in our life for various purposes, like lenses are used in spectacles as an additional lens in front of eyes to focus the light better for us. They are used in optical objects like camera to click the photographs and binoculars to see the far off objects clearly. They are used in telescope to see moon and stars at night. They are used in peepholes of doors so that the person inside can easily see the person outside. A lens is used to examine very small or finely detailed things by magnifying it. This type of lens is known as the magnifying glass. Another important use of the lens is the microscope. It was discovered by Anthony Leeuwenhoek, who is also known as the father of microscopy and microbiology due to his contribution in these two fields. The word micro means the fields which are related to microorganisms. It is used to see the objects that are too small to be seen. Yes, you recalled it better. Those organisms are known as microorganisms. It is used by scientists in laboratories to study the fine details of these microorganisms and to prepare the vaccines for different diseases. It is also used by the students in school for study purpose and to study the details of microorganisms which help them in their future studies. This is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.